Well, what do we have here? That's a great big thing. It's sitting behind the shop. What in the world are we doing with it? Well, we are going to be, let me show you, putting on some nice cam lock. Look at these things. Big old cam locks onto the bottom of this manure trailer. So this will get loaded up with manure, and then out the back they spread it. But what they're needing is they have, when they clean these things out the back, it just has this little tube, and that just ain't gonna cut it. So we're gonna put on a great big tube. That'll let all kinds of stuff go out of it, you know. So, but as always, nothing standard. This is mild steel. I don't know if you can tell, but that's stainless steel. And they don't weld together. So what do? What in the world do we do? Well, since we've seen a thing or two, we are going to TIG braze them on. It's pretty much just as strong as welding, not as strong because you're not physically putting the two together, but it is very strong, just the perfect solution for this application. So we're going to hop to it. We're gonna cut the holes. We got 3 of these things to put on. Yeah, so we're gonna hop to it. I'll keep you updated.